Alright, welcome back to another ZPolt unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the TRN VX. So this is the first 7 driver system per side that I'm going to check out from TRN, so that's really interesting. You have that unique kind of TRN design and recently released, of course, and I do like the BA5. Also the V90 is pretty good for the price also, so TRN is really making good stuff. But not all their stuff is good, so sometimes they have some dud items, they have some dud IEMs, so we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my initial impressions in this one. Of course, full review in the zpoltunboxing channel. So let's take a look at the specs first. So you have 3.5mm jack, hybrid in-ear monitors. Of course, this has that dynamic driver at the bottom, 0.75mm 2-pin connector, 7 to 40k hertz, impedance to 22 ohms, weight 28 grams, and you're also getting the typical Chi-Fi packaging, so nothing to write home about. So we're just gonna open this up nicely. So this is one of the hype TRN stuff because it's a multi-driver system from TRN, and I haven't seen that many drivers in a TRN before, so it will be interesting to have a listen to this one and how it fares with the your KZs, because KZ has been doing it for quite a while, but TRN is now in the multi driver game. Going inside the box, so this is what you're gonna get. Oh, wow, I did get the black one, so that's really nice. Of course, yes, links down below for this one if you want to get it. Opening it up, let's take a look at what you get with the cable first. Cable kind of looks like your typical TRN cable, black in design, which is something I like. And wow, it's a bit different, maybe because of this one. So they're using now the more stable connector, which is pretty cool. I do like that. And you're getting straight plug. So I do of course prefer an L plug in this one. You're getting additional tips and no case, not a lot in the box, right? It's kind of sporty looking tips, and it's in the soft side also, typical TRN stuff. And looking at the IEM itself, so the design is pretty unique for a TRN. So I don't know, TRN just usually plays with their design. They don't have a single design language, so that may be a pro and con for you. For me, I do like to have a consistency with designs. So I don't know, they're just playing around with design. But looking at this one, right off the bat, this might be one of my favorite looking TRNs. I do feel that it looks I do like the matte kind of design. The color kind of looks sick. It reflects nicely, and it has that kind of unique design also, compared to your typical Chi-Fi. This is a bit different. This kind of reminds me of the WGT1, which is of course more expensive compared to this one. So it doesn't have some fins though, so that's a bit unfortunate, but actually it's in the small side for a 7 driver system. It's made of what seems to be metal. I cannot confirm 100%, but it does feel really sturdy. And of course you get that VX DT and the BA6 at the side. Yeah, it kind of looks more upscale in terms of the design overall. I actually was worried that it won't look this good, but I do like it because yeah, the photos doesn't do justice to the actual unboxing experience. So this one's pretty cool, but of course I do like some fins here. Unfortunate that you don't have fins, so I praised that a lot in the BA5, so I wish I can see that also with this one. Right, this is what it's gonna look like when you have the cable on. So it has preform earlocks, which is nice, so it will be more stable, and I do like the black on black kind of design. I think it looks pretty cool, so definitely I prefer this one over your KZ brown cable. Let's use it on the ear and give you guys my initial impressions. Alright, so on the ear, it's not the most stable IEM that I have tried, but with that ear hooks, it's still pretty stable, so you can still definitely walk with this one, or travel outside with this one with no issues. But definitely if you're gonna run or do some extraneous activities, you would want some fins in your IEMs. But yeah, this one is not that bad. But what I like about this is it's a small design, so it's quite light on the ear, and it's also breathable on the ear because it doesn't have some fins. So that's an advantage. It has a little bit of boost in the comfort region. Isolation is just okay. This is not the most isolating pair that I have tried. I'd say average on this one. So let's have an initial listen maybe with some Bon Jovi. Okay, so right off the bat, this is a lively kind of sound. Um, I cannot say 100%, but it feels more lively even compared to the BA5. It's an airy sound also. Definitely, it's an aggressive type of sound. This is not your relaxed IEM. Let's try some Linkin Park. It's in the clean presentation. Try some Slash. Wow, that clean guitars is really showing in the mix. There's a micro detail here. It's cool. It's pretty revealing sounding. That bass at the bottom is definitely prominent also. It's quite punchy. So again, more musical. But this is not your super bassy IEM also. Alright, yeah, from that initial listen, this feels like it's more of a monitor. Compared to casual listening IEM. It's definitely revealing. I don't know, it can be a bit fatiguing to listen to. It's a bit hot. It's very aggressive sounding. So yeah, I will confirm that, of course, in the full review. I want to listen to more tracks. This is just an initial impressions, but yeah, right off the bat, it's a bit different from your usual TRN. I'd say this more aggressive sounding. That's maybe the design in this one. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that is my initial impressions in the TRN VX. Of course, I want to have a listen to more tracks. Compare this with the BA5, compare this with the V90, and of the CSX also. So we're gonna have a verdict on this one soon if it's something that you want to get or not. So yes, that's our unboxing of the TRN VX. If you want to learn more about this one, let me know down in the comments below for the full review. I will try to include it in the full review if you need more information. And yeah, that's our unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.